Downloading account statements on Bybit is a straightforward process that allows you to keep track of your trading activities. Follow these steps to quickly access your account statements. Step 1. Log into your Bybit account. Visit the Bybit website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Ensure that you have access to the account from which you want to download statements. Step 2. Navigate to the account section. Once logged in, locate the account or profile section on the dashboard. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Access the Statement or Reports tab. In the Accounts section, look for a tab labeled Statements, Reports, or Transaction History. Click on this tab to proceed to the area where you can view and download your account statements. Step 4. Select the date range. You will typically see options to filter your statements by date range. Choose the specific dates for which you want to download the statements. This helps in narrowing down the information to what you need. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the date range, look for a download button or link. Click on it to download your account statement in your preferred format such as PDF or CSV. By following these steps, you can officially download your account statements from Bybit. Keeping track of your trading history is essential for effective portfolio management.